them now sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana.
Guys, so I am actually supposed to be in Jamaica right now, but I missed my flight. So now I'm in a hotel waiting until tomorrow to be on the next flight. I can't believe I missed my flight. That's never happened to me. Never. But this is, I guess, a learning lesson. But yeah, so I'm like, I don't know if I should be mad at myself. I don't know, but I missed my flight. I'm just kind of pissed. But in a few hours, I will be in Jamaica. So I am waiting to see what to do. Sorry guys, I'm making tea because I haven't eaten anything all morning. But yeah, I'm just really annoyed right now, guys. Really annoyed. But hopefully I'll be in Jamaica. Well, I will be in Jamaica in a few hours. I'm not playing. I'm not missing that flight. Not missing that flight. I will be on that flight pronto tomorrow. I'm taking a shuttle service, which I've never taken a shuttle service. I've never taken a shuttle service, and my eyes are a little whatever. I've never taken a shuttle service, but tomorrow's the day. So I will see you guys hopefully in Jamaica after this clip, because I cannot believe I missed my flight. All right, guys, I look super crazy. I just tied my hair. I just ordered with Uber Eats. Okay, with Uber Eats for the first time, and I'm watching Power on Hulu. Damn, I really look crazy. I ordered from Peppa Pot. I got fried dumpling, plantain, and cornmeal porridge, and a veggie patty. So I will see you guys in Jamaica tomorrow. I just wanted to share my Uber Eats because this is the first time I've ordered with Uber Eats, because where I live they don't do Uber Eats because it's whack. But I'm excited. While I'm in New York in the hotel, I'm gonna just do stuff. All right, bye guys. Hey guys, so I'm finally in Jamaica. My flight was okay. Mom's here with me, and now we're about to run to the supermarket really quick. So guys, sorry I'm not like doing a great job of vlogging, but it is my first day, so I'm trying to get settled and get every little thing. But we are in the supermarket right now, and we're just shopping. Mommy's right there. Hi. Oh God, forgive me. The next miracle tour will be at, what is this? Mom, is this a scam? Listen, there are a lot of scammers and hustlers in Jamaica. Oh my gosh, look at my eyes, guys. I fell asleep on the plane and I'm looking crazy. Mom, I want something to drink. Can I open it in the store and drink it? No. You don't like pepper. How much is like the white cranberry. I got a drink. How much?
Drink it up.
I'm so oily, guys. I gotta tell you guys how I missed my flight. I don't even know. And I wasn't gonna even come. I was like gonna go back home and take my bags. Mom, is that Ifan? Is that Ifan? Listen, this shiny man wanted to marry me and Mom stopped it. I could have been a millionaire by now. Y'all wouldn't even, I'm just joking. Mom, try it, it's nice. No more. You don't like it? It's nice. It's cranberry, it's white cranberry. You don't like it? No, I don't want it.
It's by the same one. Can we put Alex? Mr. Safina buy coffee. Say I want Alex too.
Hot girl, hot girl. Hot girl, hot girl. Alright guys, I'll see you later. I'm not really doing anything, but it is my first day in Jamaica and I'm excited. I hope I can get great vlogs for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. What's my name?
Krishna.
Krishna? Yeah.
Where we got it?
God.
Government, that's what me.
5 foot.
Oh, you could attack me?
Government.
Got nicer?
Kushina.
Thank you, 5 foot.
What?
I don't look bad, thank you. I appreciate it.
So we come to Vatina. You say this me now, eh? You can't pass no card me. You better for me. You have to jump, you man. I hope.
Ooh. You shall not if you're tracing, say they take set for me. Not take no set for me, you hear? You wrong somebody.
Where can you man take on the camera if
You're happy you saw me?
What you say?
So if you're happy, you see.
Yeah, me just me happy to my telephone with my
You in the walk, look how your hand there red. You make money.
You make money, man. 5 man a day.
Where'd you get those pants? I
Well,
like
I say
them.
we carry them home, never wear them.
I like
Very
them.
nice
They
job.
look nice. Fine for you like mommy's pants?
What you say?
So if you like my pants.
I'll go pants. You then go.
No, son, no, son, no, son. 5 foot said my mom is in go-go pants.
Yeah, I'm spending again. I'm cozy.
You're not dead fitters.
What do you want, 5 foot?
Something to drink, man.
Like what? Some water?
Cold beer.
Oh, cold beer. 5 foot's not eating.
Me don't think if you come around here, it's not trim.
You want to me? What you want? You want to know? What you want? We're going to have a question for you.
No, I'm going to no back.
Where go?
No way.
Okay.
You dog then. There's no drinks if I don't drink it, many drinks.
Ah, I say
Then I see couple put up ice. Say, my Magnum in my beer.
give me right now.
5 foot, you want the Magnum?
Yeah, but you might go on the one cool line king too. You can't see come
No
out?
man, no man. Something like smoke people can't cigarette.
I don't smoke 5 foot. 5 foot, you shouldn't be drinking.
Yeah. Give me money to buy every more clone.
Give you money to go buy what you want? How much money you want?
1,000.
1,000? Okay.
Yeah, Joy, you see, I say 1,200 and 1,000.
You know for me the money find out you could use the camera.
Yeah, I know.
I truly remember.
Just see the man.
Are you my father?
In the grass school, if you drive, make a deep road.
Draw.
In find camera good. Remember, I know you remember. You man.
What happened to my legs when I was younger?
When say?
So what happened to you foot that doesn't could walk when you were younger?
When you come out, come out. Why?
5 foot is nuts. Sweet? The Magnum is sweet?
What?
Sweet? Magnum? Sweet?
Yeah, you can't take one too much sweetness, yeah? Let me throw water upon it.
How tonic you good for your body?
Yeah, but we can't drink so sweet.
So you say want water?
No, Heineken.
Heineken, mama.
Heineken to wash it down.
Yo, God, beautiful. Just send it to me.
Look at an idea.
No, sir.
What you want Heineken?
Heineken.
You just go paint. And they don't give you Heineken. You know, do not run and you come for Heineken.
You're shaming too much, man.
Do not run and you want
As
Heineken.
American man, I feel man, I shame myself.
Oh, why?
No, sir.
You never go to tomorrow?
No, no.
Going for your auntie and grandma?
Vida?
You coming?
No, you sure.
Are you coming?
No, so we can't. No, but one day this weekend.
No, sir. Look for hot girl, Lisa. Lisa, what happened to your leg? No, sir. Jamaican agree with you, my
No,
girl.
girl.
Come back a foreign you belong. Lisa!
My face is so much up my face.
Oh my gosh. You look like a different race.
That boy. I just
No.
trying to put a beat no mess up. You just stress me out.
Lisa,
I need to come here this way now. You stress me out. Something on my face.
Lisa, what happened to your hair? No, sir. I know be hot girl auntie this. No. What happened to your knee?
You hurt me. Hey. This is coming in my room.
Let me see now your room. You clean up?
No, sir. So I'm saying okay.
Lisa.
What's up?
No, sir, Leisha. I know me feel bad, but if you bring you something, Mom.
So where you come from?
Mom, Leisha looks like a different race.
Where you come from? I been a come here. Nothing crack out.
You come for your things,
I come make a shift done 6. They have some. I take a look for me knee.
What happened to your knee?
They hurt me. So now what?
No, sir, my girl.
Something on my face.
Yes, you look
I
like...
wear sandals. Come here, come on.
Why? What happened?
Someone tap on me pan.
All right, my girl, she don't want to be on camera.
How dare you?
Miss Marlene.
Miss Andy.
I believe it don't look good right now because I have a hat on.
So yeah.
Guys, Leash doesn't want to be on camera. Listen, Leash, I look a mess. Leash doesn't want to be on camera. Please stop. Mom, why? Leisha, let me see your fork. Please stop. Mom, you know I hate thick forks.
Well,
Leash, stop. I look a mess. Leisha's trying to snap me. We're eating dinner. It's, let me show you. It's salt mackerel dumpling and yellow lamb. Yellow lamb. Oh, yellow yam. Mom, I've never seen so many ants in my life. All over here. Since when is there ants on the... So guys, we're gonna eat dinner. Relax. Leashes and... You're not going back to work? Huh? You're not going back to work? Leash isn't going back to work, so we're gonna hang out. You're not on it. Leash looks like a different race. Alright guys, I'll see you later.
Honey bunch.
I won the lottery, guys.
Honey.
And Leisha's husband
Come here, honey.
has came to
Come, see the winning ticket here.
Oh, wait.
Sophia.
Fine Foot, I won. I would have won twice, Fine Foot.
Which one?
1 million in buy for.
$10. You want me to buy?
You buy it?
Yeah, man, I'm nine.
When I buy the same number, I something right down, I get the number you have to buy.
What's your man? Go look, so.
Listen, Fine Foot, I told you what to buy. You should have copied me and bought it for more.
Where is it?
You say she buy two and buy for more.
I want two.
Mm-hmm.
Understand you?
8 and 9. I was feeling 3, 7, and 11. And 11 played, and now what played? 7?
7.
So maybe 3 is next. What does 5 mean? What's number 5 mean?
Thief, I find food.
Gotta buy that.
That's it.
5 foot, how much did you buy it for? Your ticket?
Oh.
You.
But you buy 7.
You said you bought 8 and 9. How much you buy it for?
$20.
What's married man?
I love gold. And silver.
How do you nail something? Am I money? Lynching.
No, Mimi.
You wanna do for me?
This other one. I like her. She only charged me $20.
And the next one charge me so much.
You see it? With the green stuff in her teeth.
Alright. They might be talking about. Yeah?
Explain again tonight?
Yeah, buy again?
I'm feeling that.
Use the ticket and buy.
Tell me now, get no tie.
My boss.
$200.
Oh? Why you come and go start out the place for?
I have to murder you.
You're good.
I have to give you something well hard across your face.
You're good to me now, Toby.
What?
You're good to me, man. Toby. Yeah. You would bad on the cinema, man. You want to hear, man? You should have bad piece, man.
No. You said, what am I buying?
Look at my hand.
Buy idiot.
I'm buying the 3.
Mark it down, mark it down.
The 3. What's 15?
Rat.
Let me think about this. 3? What do you feel, Leash? You had a dream?
$31.
What's 31?
$31 now.
You are in tank.
What is it, full tank?
31 after me. 21 good.
21. The 3, the 9.
We got 29.
What's the 8? What's 8?
It
8? I'm getting 8.
In PSM, I hear 2 sometimes.
What just played?
In PSM, I hear sometimes.
7. So I'm gonna buy the 3,
Why it down?
the 3, the 9, 3, 9, the 11, and the
31.
What's that?
My body. What your body? What your body?
How much money I won, 5 foot?
Huh?
100,000?
What?
How much money I won?
How much do you
What?
So I'm married.
Why are you married? You're going to call me right now.
Actually, I don't believe in 5 foot.
How about that?
It's a camera. You want to say hi?
Oh, is it good?
You look nice. Handsome. Say hi to the foreign girls. Maybe somebody's single.
Hi, girlies. I said clear, man. It's expensive, you know.
What if you don't want to say something to somebody? Somebody might see you and love you off.
Me look good like a man.
Handsome.
Me look good, man. I must Jamaica dear, you know.
Yeah?
No, I must dear.
$5 up there.
How much money?
$5 American.
How much that?
500 in Jamaican.
500. For that?
$5 for?
Camera.
Yeah, how much? How much? No money.
$5.
You don't have to? You look good, though.
5 foot said he didn't know he was that handsome.
If you're a puppet.
Tell my best one uncle who might make it up. Yeah, see what I'm on. So, this is one number 1.
5 foot, what number should I get?
You don't know why you look, you can't talk.
Let's do this. Can I write on this ticket? Can I write on the ticket?
Yeah,
Right, are you ready? Right, give me.
Yes, something I want to sit there.
Oh,
Something I write it.
right.
Can I write it on this ticket?
Yeah.
Yeah, right back. Hey, back. I made it back.
Okay, so the numbers are 21. Junior, say hi to the people.
Nelly face, it's ugly.
Since when is Junior?
Yo, him something, man.
What me figure you?
Junior in a big chain though.
A little chin that, man. Hail King Selassie.
You're a Rastafarian? Where's your dreads?
No, I'm cut it off.
Oh, that's
Rasta
it.
on my heart.
Guys, sorry I look crazy. This is my makeup for a couple hours. And I look a mess. I'm oily.
Oh, that shit on me back.
Let me see now.
You need it. What you say? This.
Let me see now, my girl.
I sit in the most of them, you give me them.
Yo,
Stop searching.
Whose thing is this?
Mine.
I'm gonna get an iPad when I go up.
You want one?
No?
Why?
I only use Apple products.
You forever me put on it.
Only Apple products. Let me see. What threw away in your bag?
Me mac.
smoke me, grab me,
Eh?
my goodness.
A hot girl.
Mother-in-law. Yeah, one other for me just
This
One
is
hour.
broke.
see, night brown Tuesday.
Lish, you don't have a wipe?
Before I brush you. Alright, nobody make it. I will go home and cut you.
Lisha. Lisha, why are you drying this particular outfit? Where's the wipe? Lisha, you only have one.
When?
You only have one, Lish.
Give me it. Mine. That's it.
Lisha, they're dry.
No video me funny, you know.
Guys, Lisha has this fan that looks a hot ass
No
mess.
put this off.
Where's I didn't put it in there. Lisha, why don't you keep them in your green bag? You
No.
want your new bag?
And this me I put them in now. Then you want more too.
Guys, my aunt got sunburned. That's why she looks like this. Doesn't she look like a different person?
And the sun's all over.
Not true.
And the cancer.
When you go on plane, you have to have that around your neck.
Play in the airport now, Nikki. You're on the plane, Nikki.
Lisa, where's your eyebrow pencil that I bought you? No, Salisha, you have the tape on everything still?
Let me lipstick then there.
Where's your lipsticks? Guys, I look crazy, but I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging.
No teeth, no lipstick, man. You can't give me two lipstick.
Nisha, I didn't bring a lot. I brought the bare minimum of the jewelry.
Left one and lipstick give me going.
You don't like those colors.
Left one give me. Vivid night me if you wear makeup go work. I mean I used to wear makeup every night. Wait on.
You're going to foreign?
New Jersey.
Wait on. Sophia.
I'm not going shopping.
I mean
Where do I live?
and then Sophia live.
England.
I live in England? Not true. Live with the
And
queen.
this is true. My nice clean makeup bag.
Guys, I got Leisha a new makeup bag.
I have to put in my sponge.
How could I forget my favorite auntie?
Too much sitting in there, man. You can't walk.
Uncle.
Huh?
Uncle.
I think so.
Cousin.
Leisha's my cousin?
Yeah.
Oh, be careful.
Niece.
The tornado. Guys, if you saw this fan.
Shut up and put it on the last vlog. Oh. I I know video mean man, you see me black.
Leisha looks like a mad woman. I look like a mad. We just look crazy. No, so we pop down, people. Leisha, the lighting in your room is killing me. Leisha, you have to buy a ring light.
Where bag in the camera?
So guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I look crazy. And Leisha's.
This part is
You can't plug in or nothing, you know. Me, I use this one, so plug in. No time make me bring here.
Leisha, I can't wait till your comforter set comes. You have to send me a picture. It's gonna look so nice on your bed. Because I'm not with all these star stripes and spangled banners. We are Jamaicans. Okay? Alright guys, well I'm gonna say goodbye. I look crazy. McCain, you wanna say bye?
Evelyn.
Evelyn. Well, say bye to the people.
Bye.
Leisha, you wanna say bye?
Fuck you, Hall.
Bye guys.
That look weird. Move it. It look weird.
Does look weird?
Wow.
We look crazy. I look
Let's
crazy.
put the fire. You want to ride bicycle? I put the fire in.
Oh, the GoPros? Bye guys.